Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today we are doing the drawing for the Sparrows Coin giveaway for breast cancer awareness. We raised about £150 to the fundraiser. The fundraiser is at $345, which is pretty good. And I'm going to throw in a K/8 with the coin. So yeah, one coin from me and one coin from Akpik from Reddit. So let's do the drawing really quick. I put in everyone who donated. And one coin goes to HV Logic, and the second one goes to Stereologs. Congratulations, you two. It's great from you to join this fundraiser, this giveaway. Starry, your coin comes from Akpik. If you want that K/8, let me know. I will send it directly to you. And HV, you will get the coin from me, that one. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.